Hey everybody, this video is going to be a quick unboxing of the Caliburn Tenet KOKO from Uwell. A gritty pod system with a design Uwell is referring to as Wastelander. This unique approach to design gives it a unique feel, and it's a refreshing change from the sleek and futuristic look of the three previous versions of the KOKO. Uwell didn't ignore practicality when making this pod system. With the juice window, keychain ring, and Type-C charging port, this covers all the basic functional features you'd expect from a modern pod system. This is a full starter kit, so included with your device is going to be a Caliburn G2 pod, 0.8 G coil, 1.2 G2 coil, charging cable, and lanyard. Basically all the base necessities you'll need to start up a smooth vaping experience. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you want to see more videos, check out our YouTube channel at The Real VDC, and we'll see you in the next one.